Tailor-Made and Salute the Dawn romped the first two prep races of the season for classic aspirants on Saturday's 10-race card at Caymanas Park. The Jason Acosta-trained Tailor-Made under Robert Halladine went from gate to wire in the 34th running of the Hotline Stakes for native-bred 3-year-old fillies over 6 furlongs. She went off as the 3-2 second choice in the field of 6.
They're coming at the top of the lane, and it is on that lead, Tailor-Made in front, stretching that lead to about 2 or 3 lengths in front of Dreamcatcher Racing back in second. Tailor-Made in front, still not coming on. That is Giving Thanks. It's still on that lead. Tailor-Made coming with just about a half a furlong to travel. Tailor-Made in front, and I think Tailor-Made has made all the running this afternoon. Tailor-Made in the Hotline Stakes. Tailor-Made and Robert Hardball Halladine winning for Jason Acosta. Winning from a Dreamcatcher. Then comes Giving Thanks back in fourth. Minnehaha.
Tailor-Made covered the trip in a minute 14 and 2/5 of a second, winning by 4 1/4 lengths.
At the top of the lane I know I won because today is a speed track and the horses who turn in front is very dangerous today. So I know if I turn in front it's going to be hard for them to peg me back.
From day one she's been showing us tons of talent. She won impressive first time out, and then she threw in a clinker last time. We worked out her issues, and she came back good today. So I'm just I'm just hoping she keeps happy and sound, and she'll have a good classic campaign.
Meanwhile, the even money choice Salute the Dawn with former champion jockey Dane Dawkins aboard for trainer Gary Sabrati made most of the running to land the 32nd running of the Sir Howard Stakes for native-bred colts and geldings.
Salute the Don in charge on that lead. Will come into the lane with it. Salute the Don in the yellow cap continues to control the speed up front. Being chased by there toward the outside. So Lucky Am I. Manolete Majestic racing in behind them. Uncle Nally is on the rail. In between horses, that's God's plan. Kicking in out wide, Mohan Lal, but it's Salute the Don in charge. With a furlong to run. Salute the Don out in front and showing no signs of stopping. Salute the Don. And devastating Dane Dawkins in a runaway for the 32nd running of the Sir Howard Stakes. They win by maybe double digits. So Lucky Am I is next, close between Dash All Day, Mohan Lal. Uncle Nally is back in fifth.
Salute the Dawn returned 1 minute 13 and 4/5 for the distance.
Go there and get a good break and ride a race, and that's what I did. I was very, very comfortable. Very, very.
Just basically nursed him to this race. He's been training well, doing everything that we asked. I just didn't want to pressure him too much coming into this race because there's going to be a lot of races coming up for him shortly. So this race is, hopefully it's not, the time is really good, so I'm really impressed with the time.
Inform apprentice Tajay Suku had a double, while there were also 2 wins for champion trainer Jason Acosta. Racing continues next Saturday.